सब्जेक्ट है फार्मास्यूटिकल ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री प्रैक्टिकल 1। ऑब्जेक्टिव है फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट है जिसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव है टू मेक अ लिस्ट ऑफ गुड लेबोरेटरी प्रैक्टिसेस इन केमिस्ट्री लेबोरेटरी। रिक्वायरमेंट्स में है नीट एंड क्लीन एप्रॉन, जर्नल्स, रिकॉर्ड बुक, नैपकिन, मैच बॉक्स, प्लास्टिक सीट, नाइक्रोम वायर, platinum loop, test tubes minimum 10, test tubes, brush, labels, watch glass, glass marker, spatula, scientific calculator, soap or detergent. List of good laboratory practices. Guard against personal safety. A trainee pharmacist must ensure that he or she is not subjected to any sort of risk or danger against his or her personal safety at any cost while working in a chemical laboratory. Protective coat. Each and every person working in a chemical laboratory should put a full length and full sleeve protective coat, preferably white, because any type of stain and inadvertent spillage are more apparently visible and detected vividly. Protection for eyes. The protection for eyes is of top priority with regard to several possible eye hazards, namely exposure to the dust of fine chemicals, fumes or vapors, sudden splashing of liquid chemicals, hot or cold, and even from splinters of glasswares that get exploded while performing an experiment. In order to avoid such untoward and unpredictable possible hazards in a chemical laboratory. Conduct in a chemistry laboratory. The overall conduct in a chemical laboratory should be associated with dignity, discipline, maturity, poised behavior, cool temperament, charged with excellent presence of mind, and above all a soft-spoken, pleasant disposition. It is, however, absolutely necessary to invoke a high degree of self-discipline with regard to the following cardinal aspects, namely over-hurried activity, smoking, eating and drinking, irresponsible behavior or practical jokes, shouting and screaming. Neatness and cleanliness. For basic residues, dilute sulfuric acids or hydrochloric acids may dissolve the basic residues completely. For acidic residues, dilute sodium hydroxide solution is probably the commonest and the best cleansing agent for most acidic residues. Guidelines for accident or injury. All chemists of either gender must know the exact position of the fire extinguishers, burning chemicals, and clothing. Accidental fire from highly inflammable organic solvents is observed to be one of the most common and equally dangerous fire hazards in a chemical laboratory. Water should never be employed to extinguish fire. Storage of chemical or reagent in a chemical laboratory. All research chemists are required to use various types of chemicals and reagents as cautiously and carefully as possible and subsequently return them to their properly designated cupboards, shelves or chemical stores soon after their use. Waste disposal. For broken glassware, for inflammable material, for toxic chemical solids, for waste solvents and innocuous waste solids. Toxicity and hazards of chemicals or reagent. Characteristic features of some hazardous chemicals. First one is acetaldehyde, TLV ppm 200. Physical characteristics: gas at RT BP boiling point 21 degrees Celsius. Harmful effects: inhalation of its vapors. Precautions: to be stored in a cool place. इसमें हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स में एक और है कॉजेज इरिटेशन टू आईज स्किन एंड लंग्स. फिजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स में फ्लेमेबल. सेकंड वन इज अमोनिया, TLV ppm में है 50 ppm. कलरलेस गैस, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट 33.5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. पंजेंट इरिटेटिंग ऑर्डर. फिजिकल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है. अब हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स की बात करें तो इनहेलेशन में कॉज सफोकेशन, nausea, bronchitis and pulmonary edema. Precautions: to be handled in a fume cupboard. Aniline, TLV 5 ppm. Characteristics: colorless oily liquid, darkens in air. Harmful effects: causes nausea, dizziness and abdominal pain. Precautions: to be handled in a fume cupboard. Benzene, TLV 10 ppm. Colorless liquid, boiling point 80 degrees Celsius. Highly flammable. Causes euphoria, headache and necrosis. To be handled in a fume cupboard. बात करते हैं ब्रोमीन की. 0.1 ppm TLV है. डार्क रेडिश ब्राउन लिक्विड, boiling point 58.8 degrees Celsius. Rapidly vaporizes at RT. Fumes are very irritating to skin, eyes, mucous membrane. Causes severe skin burns. To be stored in dark, cool place. And butanol 100 ppm TLV है. Colorless liquid, boiling point 117 degrees Celsius. Inhalation causes dizziness, paralysis and respiratory inflammation. To be handled in a flame cupboard. Carbon tetrachloride 10 ppm. Colorless, non-inflammable, heavy liquid, boiling point 77 degrees Celsius. Sweet odor. Causes irritation to eyes, headache, abdominal cramps, nervousness. To be handled in a fume cupboard. Chloroform 50 ppm. Colorless, heavy, sweet smelling liquid, boiling point 61 degrees Celsius. Non-combustible. Causes unconsciousness, vomiting and shortness of breath. To be handled in a fume cupboard. Diethyl ether 400 ppm. Colorless, very volatile, inflammable liquid, boiling point 34.5 degrees Celsius. Inhalation causes headache, vomiting, paralysis and irritation of respiratory tract. To be stored in a cool place. Formalin 3 ppm. Colorless gas with pungent odor. Causes corneal burns, dermatitis and conjunctivitis. Highly reactive. Physical characteristics में highly reactive. To be handled in a fume cupboard. Iodine TLV dash forms grayish black plates or granules. Melting point 113.5 degrees Celsius. Soluble in ethanol, ether, chloroform and carbon disulfide. Breathing difficulty and pulmonary edema. To be causes dizziness, headache, cough, breathing difficulty and pulmonary edema. To be handled in a fuming cupboard. Phenol 5 ppm. White crystalline mass but turns pink on exposure to air. Boiling point 182 degrees Celsius. Absorbs moisture from air and gets liquefied. Causes burns in mouth, pharynx, vomiting, cough and pulmonary edema. To be handled very carefully. Toluene 200 ppm TLV. Colorless inflammable liquid, boiling point 110.6 degrees Celsius. freely miscible with ether, ethanol, chloroform, and acetone. Causes dermatitis, nausea, weakness, and incoordination. To be handled in a fuming cupboard.